Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to solve multi-step equations. The first example is 30 is equal to negative 5 times 6n plus 6. The goal here is to solve for n. The first step would be to distribute the negative 5, so we would multiply negative 5 to each of the terms inside the parentheses. So, negative 5 times 6n would give us negative 30n, and negative 5 times 6 gives us negative 30. On the left-hand side, we would be left with 30. And now we want to isolate this term here. So we would add 30 to both sides. So the 30s would cancel out. 30 plus 30 is 60. And then we bring down the negative 30n. Now we want to isolate this variable n. In order to do that, we would divide both sides by negative 30. The negative 30s will cancel out, and we would be left with n is equal to negative 2. And that would be our final answer. Let's move on to the next example. In this example, we have to solve for the variable m. Once again, we have to distribute this 5. So we would multiply 5 to each of the terms inside the parentheses. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4m gives us positive 20m. We bring down the minus 2m. And then we're left with negative 13 on the left side. Now, we want to simplify this even further. We notice here that we have two like terms, 20m and minus 2m. We know that 20m minus 2m would give us 18m. We bring down this 5 here, and then we bring down this negative 13 on the left side. Now, we want to isolate this term that contains the variable m. So in order to do that, we would subtract 5 from both sides. These 5s will cancel out. Negative 13 minus 5 gives us negative 18. We bring down the 18m. And all we have left to do is to solve for m. So we would divide both sides by 18. The 18s will cancel out, and we're left with m is equal to negative 1. So this would be our final answer. Now, let me give you one more example for you to try. Negative 5n minus 8 times 1 plus 7n is equal to negative 8. Solve for n. Solve it and drop your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.